Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading. Have you ever traveled to another country and needed to exchange your currency for the local one? That's a basic form of Forex trading. But the Forex market is so much more than that. The Forex market, also known as FX or foreign exchange trading, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. With a daily average trading volume of over $5 trillion. That's a lot of money changing hands. Unlike other financial markets that operate in a centralized location, the Forex market is global. It's an electronic network of banks, financial institutions, brokers, and individual traders all buying and selling currencies. And because the Forex market is active 24/7, there are always buyers and sellers, making it the most active and liquid market in the world. Traditionally, Forex was traded by banks for their own commercial and investment purposes. But since the exchange rates were allowed to float freely in 1971, trading volume has exploded. Today, everyone from importers and exporters to international portfolio managers, multinational corporations, and even individual speculators and day traders are using the Forex market. Some are looking to speculate, pay for goods and services, or transact in financial assets. Others are trying to hedge their currency risk in other markets. But it's important to note that over 90% of Forex daily trading volume is generated by speculative trades. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the Forex market has something for everyone. Are you ready to join the action? Start trading today. Join now by clicking the link in description. Also join our Telegram group for daily free trading signals. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for daily videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like the video and follow and like our page. Good luck with your trading journey.